Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your browser is up to date and any aggressive extensions are off for 9anime. This clears many player conflicts. Once done, load the episode and open the player controls to pick a different subtitle track or toggle captions off and on. If the built-in tracks fail, switch the player type in settings or enable the HTML5 option. That often restores web VTT caption parsing. Make sure to keep the video paused while you change settings so the player fully reloads the subtitle stream. If switching tracks didn't work, you move to encoding and sync fixes because corrupted timecodes or wrong encoding cause missing or garbled text. First, download a matching SRT from a trusted subtitle source and convert it to UTF-8 without BOM, then rename it to match the episode file name. Next, load that external file into the player or an external player like VLC. Use the player's subtitle delay keys to nudge timing until dialogue and captions align. Small increments fix cumulative drift. To finish, force a hard reload and clear 9anime site data so the player fetches clean subtitle manifests. This often removes stale caches that block updated tracks. Once done, test the same episode. If timing still drifts, play the file in VLC with your UTF-8. SRT as a reliable fallback because desktop players ignore site-side delivery problems. If subtitles fail inconsistently across locations, switch DNS or use a temporary VPN to rule out CDN or regional manifest errors. And then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.